Hi guys, today I'm taking apart a lamp. It's a new type lamp, one I've never seen before really. They're outdoor, I think. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. They're 230 volts, obviously 70 watts. So we'll take it apart and see what's in it, guys. As you can see, it looks to me aluminium, but it's not. It doesn't feel like aluminium. There's the lighter. I'd say it could be plastic. So I should reduce this yoke. Now, I get a flat screwdriver to take out this window. Should come out. But saves with the glass. This one here is the bulb, which comes out one way or the other. The bulb. Just recycle them properly, guys. No point in messing around with bulbs, guys. Small bit of a few screws more, guys, just to get into what's going on in here. So a dead what you call it, wasp. I don't know how it gets in there, but anyway, it gets in anyway. They're not meant to get in, but they get in. Off here, and this side here, straightforward enough for you to get them off here. Shred, and them sides there I would say are shred. The touching parts should be steel, I'd say. They're not, they wouldn't be gym brass. No, so they have to go into the shred. So more shred, more plastic up along here, bit of wire. Excuse me guys, girls, everything. Oh, bless me. You know, pick up a bit of dust, don't you? When you're working on pieces, you always pick up dust. Dust. So the outside of this should pop off. God, there's not much in this, guys, are there? Huh? There's got to be more in this now. Oh. We might have a small bit of a winner. Small, tiny bit of a winner. Small Phillips here. What's that? That's a glass in the back of that for. That's plastic. It's plastic, isn't it? Yeah, oh, that's plastic. I thought that was aluminium, you know that? There's a lot of insects in this. A lot of insects. So there are small Phillips. It's very heavy. Wicked weight in that, guys. Hang on, we see what that is. I think that's stainless steel, guys. It's completely non-stick. It's too heavy for aluminium. Way too heavy. Yeah, it's stainless steel, guys. Bit of stainless. Plastic. That's a very, 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 very poor light, guys. Nothing in it. Nothing in it. What are you talking about? Absolutely nothing. I'd have to way more than that, guys, now, to answer you. So all I got over is with a few screws, a bit of shred, a few bits of wire, and a bit of stainless steel, a bulb for recycling, and a lump of glass. So, very, very poor. Very poor. Anyway, what can you do? You don't know what's in a thing till you take it apart. I know I have other ones out there, very same looking, with transformers in them. This here, guys, I want to try this thing. It's a hood of an oven, or a top of an oven actually. Grill head, they call them, not the head of it. Let's take it with the shred pile. Shred, shred, shred. It's made of plastic on the garbage. This now could be messy, messy, messy. Electroducts. So, I think one time Electroducts was, don't get me wrong now, Electroducts took over Philips, or Philips took over Electroducts, one or the other. One or the other. So we have a torque, small baby torque here for something on here, guys. You can see me over here. Sorry, over here, guys. I don't know what's in here now, but sure, let's see. This one here now is the first for me, guys. I've never taken apart one of these, so forgive me if I'm doing it wrong. I've never ever taken apart one of these. Sure, I started off in the right place anyway, didn't I? But you can see yourself, so I started off with the brassy goodness at the end here. So in here we have another bit of a more or something. That's where it connects up to the mains. There has to be fairly bits of brass at this anyway. Oh yeah, nice bit of copper in that. It's a what's this? Security bits, guys. Security bits to say. It's a bit bigger than that one anyway. So there'll be a fair few security bits in this guys, because you know the normal Joe soap is not meant to be taking these apart. It's meant to be taken apart by, well, to fix it, like, by a professional. And that's not me, guys, because I take apart stuff, I break stuff. I don't fix anything. I'm going to try and hit him out with a hammer and see what it come out in bits. Out, I think. Small bit. Now, bit of plastic. No fuse in it. Fuse was taken out of it. That's all you left out of plastic, guys. And here then we have a bit of a should be brass, no. Unfortunately, that's one bit of brass, huh? And they're not brass at all. That is weird, guys, huh? Steel. Shred. Not a waste of time, guys, sorry about that. Waste of time. Anyway, goes to show, guys. I should have hit it with a magnet. Anyway, look at all these brassy goodnesses here at the end anyway. In here, what goes in here, I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Let me see. I've got to be careful with this here. I'm messing with glass, guys. You saw my other video last night. I don't like messing with glass, full stop. Basically, you push in the steel all around. Basically, that's what you have to do. And you open it up to push the steel in, and like that all around it. When you never done one of these before, you don't actually know what you're going to see or get over, guys. Oh, what a year. Here, huh? Oh, come on. See what stories with me. Just a second, guys. Oh, cheers. Now. Wow. I have never, ever done one of these. Ever done one of these, guys. We have a few spiders in it as well, what would you expect? A couple of spiders here, and a spider there. What's that there? Phillips. That's actually down to the lights, so might be Phillips, hopefully it's Phillips. If it is, it'll be straightforward enough to take apart, guys. Look at that, guys, huh? Plastic and a bit of shred. I think this part is shred, obviously. Fine bit of shred. This is glass. Will we mess with that or not? And we see where we take that off it. And now, guys, we see what's going on here. Don't like to be, as I said already, it's not coming off the glass. We're not taking it off. It's already break the glass, guys. That's a bit of stainless steel, that's stainless steel. I like glass, guys. We leave it on it. Guys. If it's not broken, don't break it. That's the way I look at a thing like that, guys. It's not worth it. Very interesting colour. Barder burnt. A shred. Nice bit of shred. Let's bring this back into play, guys. These are weird, aren't they? Huh? Weird. Nice switches here as well. Right, now where's me foil? There's shred, alright. 4 things having up the brackets, they're shred. You see where I am, guys? You do? Yeah, you do. I see, you see me, guys. So we'll pull off all these switches. Tidy up this job here and see how we're getting on. That was a quick take apart. I know how to do it now. Bang, 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 and that's it. Easy to take apart if you didn't. If you don't, in a way you won't have to bring home the glass, guys. It's very easy to take apart now. Just push the sides in and bang, bang, bang off the pump. These all fall out. Then everything falls out when you open it. So this is, as you can see here, there's a lot of brass, and you know what? It's all clean brass. There's no what I'm trying to say, no plastic covers over or nothing like that. That's the lights, guys. I'd say there could be, might be gold in that. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it, as I say, huh? Check him out now. Get them out now in a few minutes, guys, and see what's in them. I think you want to be first careful that I take them apart. I'm not sure. They could be quite dusty. We'll see if they are. If they are, we can sell them as dirty attic. You know, without touching them. We'll see. Let's go further into it and see if we get on. That's the type of stuff that's in it, see that? Kind of that heat and clay type stuff, guys. That's a fine number of wear, isn't it? Look at that, and about I'd say there's about 20-30. That's the only one that's covered. I'd say there's about 20-30 pure brass on that, guys. That plastic one there just cuts ends of it, like so. Both sides. Just wind it off. Clean brass, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's how I do it, guys. So we leave all that together, guys. No, but I'll be doing myself off camera. Interesting these are now. We'll go into one of these and see what's in one, right? Oh, lovely. Look at all that silver, guys. Look. Silver and copper, look at that. Nice, guys, nice. They are nice. I have 4 of them now. Excellent. Shred. There's something that's going around that here now. I don't know what that is. We're going to hit that with a file. Let's see. Split. Anyway, it's only dirt, I'd say, guys, to be honest with you, dirt. So I have 4 of them, guys. Nice. Put one of them apart and show you what's in it. Sure, what use is not showing you what's in it. Anyways, we'll see what's in it. So I say it again, guys. I think, I don't know, we'll be able to get them out of it. I might be able to hit them down with a hammer, might not. They're very small. No, if I hit them down with a hammer, I'm going to lose all my silver. The right way of getting these out now, guys, looking at them myself here, if you were to push them into a basin or a saucepan, lukewarm water, like the plug soup, to just fall asunder. Just looking at it myself here now, what is the best way, and that is the best way, guys. Take them apart like plug soup. Yeah, I got them all out anyway, that's the main thing. So these here are joined here. They have nice silver smuts, as they call them. Nice silver here, guys, look. Big silver in them. And all along here should be brass. 2 more silvers, 3 more silvers, or 3 or 4 more silvers, guys. So that's all of them. That should be brass, guys. Should be brass. So another 4 of them to go through. And there. Let's have a look at this. I don't want to be messing around with it now, it's too dirty. Quite honest with you guys. So more silver in here, guys, look. More silver. Deadly. So you have switches. There's steel, right? That's steel too. That's steel. Right, that's good news. Because you can go to the shredder for steel. This here is interesting. Just the one that's sticking in there. If that's steel, they can stay there, guys, because look at all that powder. Don't mess with that. It's not worth it. That one is non-magnetic. That one there. No, it's magnetic now, and that's not. It is. Right, this one here, guys, if we get this out and see what's going on there. Some way to cut off there to the. So we have security screws by 2, or torque really. This one is scissor torque. So this now, guys, can just take that part out of it like so and leave the rest of that for shred. And we see we don't want to be putting this over it now. That's shred, is it? Yeah, that's shred, and the back is shred, guys, so that can go into the shred pile. Go no further with that, guys. Just take off that stuff here. These 2, 3, 4 bits. Just throw them out into the recycling properly, guys. So this here, I'm hoping, might be a lovely. It's either copper or brass, guys. So there should be 4. We should have 4 rods then, which is good, nice to have. How am I going to get you out, lads? Into the vise, guys, for a second. Just break it off. I like so. Just try to get this part out, guys. Just held with another bracket, I think. As you know, as I said already, this is the first time to do one of these, so I don't know what I'm going to meet. As you know yourselves, that's the way it is, guys. If you do something for the first time, you don't know what you're going to meet. You don't know what it is. Right, let's get the foil and see what this is. Is it a copper or brass? Has to be. Could be stainless steel either, guys. Stainless steel. Could you credit that? Anyway, look at stainless steel, guys, and that's it. Just some nice silver in these, guys, but the rest is shred. Do you understand me? There's nice bits of silver in it, but all the brackets and all that, they're all shred. So they'll have to be done in the micro scrapping day, guys. They will. That's all stainless steel. So as we know, these are stainless steel. So I'll take all them off. All them off, and all I'm getting over, guys, is a bit of stainless steel here, shred, and excuse me, the inside then is the brassy goodness. That's all, or silver. Excuse me. So I'll do them. I'll take them apart at a later date, guys. Myself, I showed you what's in one of them, so that's all I can do, guys. I'll show you what's in them. So all I can do then is, as you can see people throwing them out, but at the end of the day, guys, to be honest with you, at the end of the day, I think you're better off throwing them out, because for what you're going to get out of them, you're only going to get a bit of silver, and because to weigh that, like weigh everything on it for weight, on average there's only about 41-42 cents of copper in that. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I get more obviously when I put off all my brass ends and stuff. You get the shred as well over it, but you get the shred over it anyway if you're going to sell the shred. So it's another thing, guys, like, you know, I think in a way, for you to get rid of the glass, for you to get rid of the plastic off it, for you to get rid of the heating elements, you know, if you're taking them apart properly, like, to be honest with you, direct, like in our country where we live in Ireland, I'm from Ireland, like we have what you call, as I said earlier, is the Wii, where I can bring that as it is for free, and just you know, see that now, guys, look at that. I told you they were all brass. Look at that. Look, they're not using brass anymore, guys, and stuff. Look at that. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I thought they were all brass. Look, one of them is sticking, one is not. Look, every single one of them, guys, they have to be trying to shred piles up. So it's less you're getting off it. To me, they look like they were all brass. But so that's the way it's gone, guys. You see, you know, you cut off them and people say, oh, they're brass, throw them into the brass pile, but they're not brass, guys. They are not brass. But then again, I can't sell the copper without putting them off them. So another bummer, lads. And what to say, this is what I call now 2 wasted time jobs tonight. Was this and the light was a waste of time. So it goes to show, guys, not all. I picked out 2 things tonight for a reason, to show you not all scrapping things can make you money. So, do you know what I mean? Like, you'd be saying to yourself, you know, a motor is aluminium or a transformer is aluminium, but these yokes here are not even brass. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have about 40, and I was saying to that they're brass now, they weigh nicely. But then again, when you think of it, lads, it's a heating element, it's a cooker. Like, would it be strong enough to be brass with the heat? Do you know what I mean? Would it be strong enough? So now I'm going to get, guys, a bit of shred, a bit of single wire over it, and a bit of shred. That's it. And obviously I won't be counting in the silver buttons, but I take them separate. I keep them separate, silver buttons. But it goes to show, guys. So that's it. Bit of wire, guys, is all I got. A bit of wire. Bit of wire and a bit of shred. That's it. So from now on, I'll be throwing them straight into I wouldn't bring it to the scrapyard. Well, yeah, I know how to take the glass off them quick enough, so I'll take off the glass and then bring it to the scrapyard. Other than that, I won't be. 31 cents, guys, for a copper. 31 cents. Looks like if they were brass, which I can put a magnet to them all again there and see. Right there, Nosh. So none of them brass, guys. None of them brass. So, goes to show. If they were brass, they'd be worth 14 cents, guys. That's all they'd be worth. If they were brass, but they're not brass. So, shred pile, guys, look. All them you think they were brass, they're not brass. It goes to show, guys. Now, that's all I was going to say to you guys about that now. And that's it. That's a boomer now, as I call that again tonight. Just the way it's gone, a boomer. Like them there, you guys, for the sake of it, I'm not going to take the whole of it. I'll take the top of that too, 2 silver contacts in it. The rest of that can be thrown in the shred as it is, guys. I'm not going to waste any more time on that. But I'm going to take the 2 bits of silver out of this, and that's it. As far as I can see, in that order. I'm probably going to have to do a small bit of an operation here in the ice with them. But yeah, guys, just going to give you all the opportunity and thanking you all for watching my videos, my shorts, everything, guys. It's just amazing the way you're watching them. I love the comments, guys. The comments are deadly. People commenting and telling me stuff, and do you know what I mean? Like, everyone is here to help one another, as I said before. But yeah, we're all here to help one another, guys, at this scrapping end of it. Like, it's brilliant. I get lovely comments off of everyone. There's not one I ever had say bad or any. Not one of you. Going to see, guys, this here now, I'm in here now, and this result is one tiny bit of silver, guys. Look, that's it, smudge of silver. So all I can do is keep it. As I was saying, there is a smudge of silver on them, but you know what I mean, just keep it get into silver back. Like, people, you know, silver adds up, guys. It adds up. Is there any more in it now? I wonder. As to say, there should be 2 pieces of silver in it, because silvers are contacts, so one kind of hits the other, doesn't it? No, trying to shred, guys. Look, you think that was all brass? These are all steel, as I was telling you already. You know what I mean? Go to show into shred pile again with that. A bit of silver there, is there? So, guys, to be honest with you, I'm gonna get another 2 pieces of silver out of this one here. Actually, this one has a tiny bit of copper and a tiny bit of silver. So, to be honest with you, that's probably the best I was in it. Look at that big lump of silver, and this here should be copper. Shouldn't be really taking these apart without my proper gloves on me, guys, because I got reef last night doing that monitor. My hand was sore all day today from it. I couldn't believe that. Piece of glass, you know. Hand was sore with it. Small bit of copper, small bit of brass. This is only, I'm only doing this now, guys, but this is only micro scrapping. You know what I mean? Copper and brass, guys, that's it. I'm only micro scrapping, guys, that's all I'm doing here. So I do the micro scrapping till I do scrapping on Saturdays. Scrap Saturday. So I shred now. All I got half is 2 pieces of silver I was showing you. That's it, guys. So they'll be kept just for 2 pieces of silver. As you can see, this what happened was the fire here. A fire, as to say. And them lights, so I wonder if they got LED in them. Be careful with them now. There, see the wires? I think they're copper wire, to be honest with you. They don't look goldy coloured. They don't look goldy coloured, guys. I think they're just copper, plain copper wire. So I think, oh guys, they're not, look. Shred again, seriously. No wonder the machines are lasting, them ones are lasting so long. Huh? Shred again. So guys, as I can say, for ye, thanks so much for watching everything. Thanks for the comments, thanks for the likes, thanks for the shares, guys. Thanks so much for everything. But listen to me, this what you call it, electric hop, waste of time. Take the glass off it, throw it as it is into the shred, because my yard doesn't take glass. So that's all I can do, guys, is take it as it is and into the shred with it straight away. Because now I have to get rid of the glass, I have to get rid of the glass, and I have to get rid of, sorry, glass and the other stuff, that old, what's it called, that bluey stuff, whatever it's called, the dusty stuff. So you don't want that all over your shed either, guys. So do you know what I mean? Look at that, look at that, that's for shred. 50 pieces of shred, that's stainless steel, that's it. This is shred. I mean, I thought I was going to have a killing there tonight when I opened that. I saw this lovely brass. Nothing, guys, nothing worth talking about. I'll get 2 pieces of silver out of this. Look, all that there, it's all steel. Look, steel. Do you know what I mean? Every part of it is steel. Guys, thanks so much for everything. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get you in the next one. Bye for now.